bees. I cooked up some sugar syrup and gave that to the bees. It's been about 3 days now. We've done a pretty good job on it. It's just a jar with some holes in it. Originally, when I put the nuke hive in, I ensured that all of the frames that came out of the nuke stayed within the middle of the hive, so that they would draw out the frames on the outside of the hive, and so that they could cluster around the brood frames and keep them warm. A week since I first got my bees, and the traffic today is crazy. And they're all going straight out and over the house. Some super interesting behaviour going on. I'm hoping it's not robbing. It's just the bees doing their orientation flights. There is a little bit of aggression going on. I've had a look on the internet, and apparently all of this circling behaviour in late afternoon is in fact the new worker bees graduating from nurse to forager. So they are orienting themselves around the hive, looking for landmarks by doing circles and figure eights, and then as they go up they get higher and higher and higher, and then I assume they either go back into the hive or fly away and get some food. Okay, so here's some strange behaviour. Well, strange to the untrained eye anyway. So I was wondering why my bees are bearding at night, and they're not really bearding. They're just kind of sitting outside the hive in a cluster, not fanning. And it was a fairly hot day today, but it also just rained. And I looked up on the web, and it reckons that the bees cluster outside the hive in the humidity. It's about 23 degrees still. So that means that behaviour is just normal. They're just trying to keep some heat out of the hive, but it's going to get to like 8 degrees tonight, so they'll go back inside hopefully.